Welcome to MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This boat just came in and it's available here in Rogers. Starting up at the bow, we do have the stainless steel anchor and windlass on it. Nice color scheme here with the white and black. Big tower up top, and we'll go into more detail of that as we hop inside the boat. And then working our way here to the stern of the boat, we've got a big swim platform here. We've got an automated submersible swim platform. When you're not moving and you're anchored out somewhere, you can push a button and have that lowered into the water. We do have twin 250 Bravo 3 Mercury inboards. And then this boat does have the dynamic running surface with the trim tabs on either side and underwater lights. This boat's pretty loaded up. Let's hop inside and check out the interior of this boat. All right, welcome inside our 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Starting here back on the stern, just want to point this out. Big swim platform here with the sea decking on there. This is the stone color, and as well as the upholstery. And then we do have some nice backrests on either side that do pop up or fold back down as well. And over here on the port side, there is a transom remote for the stereo. And then walking into the boat here, nice big entryway. Got a nice cooler here. And then freshwater rinse off. And then this is where you're going to actually control the swim platform that allows it to go up and down. Moving on into the boat here. Got a nice little wet bar area. Got a sink set up with a grill. And then over here, we do have the built-in refrigerator. So this boat's set up to entertain with your friends and family. Got a ton of space on here, tons of storage, big spot here to put a table. And then as we walk up into the helm, we've got a ski locker below here, an extra spot here for a cooler. Easy to bring your drinks on and off the boat. And this also has the premier stereo upgrade. Speakers all around, Fusion audio, big subwoofer down there. And then we've got the captain and co-captain seating. Both have the capability of having a couple people sit up here together, and then do have the flip up and flip down bolsters. And great helm setup here. We got the digital throttle. Again, this has the two 250 horsepower engines, giving it 500 horsepower total. And then we have the joystick control over here too. At the helm, Simrad 2 12-inch display screens. You can set these up pretty much however you would like. You can do navigation, you can do your engine vitals, you can look at two different screens when you're cruising around. Then over here we have a nice big head area down below. Big entryway up into the bow. On those cold mornings here, we can close everything up to block some of that wind coming right at you. Those are just some of your controls underneath there. And then up here in the bow, fun doesn't stop. Got a place for another table, and then some armrest seating here on either side. This boat is an excellent boat here on the lakes in Minnesota. It's available, it's here in Rogers. Give us a call, walk in, we'd love to show you around.